Mastering English. Making offers and requests with some. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're focusing on a very specific, yet incredibly useful part of English language learning: the use of some in offers and requests. So, let's get started. Some is a quantifier, used in English to refer to an unspecified quantity or number. It is often used when the exact number is not known, not important, or not specified. An example is, I have some apples in the fridge. Now, let's delve into how some is used in offers. When offering something, some can be used to suggest a portion of something without specifying the exact amount. For instance, would you like some tea? Or, can I get you some water? In these examples, the word some doesn't tell us how much tea or water is being offered. It's a polite way to offer a part or a portion of something without specifying the exact amount. Similarly, some can be used when making requests. Again, it doesn't specify the exact amount but indicates an unspecified quantity. Examples include, could I have some sugar? Or, may I borrow some books? Just like with offers, using some in requests is a polite and indirect way to ask for something without specifying the exact quantity. Time for some practice. Try to formulate your own sentences using some in the context of offers and requests. Pay attention to how some introduces an element of politeness and indirectness to your sentences. For instance, try making an offer like, would you like some? And a request like, could I have some? Practice this with different nouns and scenarios to gain more fluency in using some. Well done, everyone. You've learned how to use some in offers and requests. We hope you found this video useful. Remember, practice is key in language learning. So keep practicing with some in your daily conversations. Stay curious and keep exploring the vast and beautiful world of English language. Until next time, happy learning!